Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial video, and in this short tutorial video I'll be showing you how to create the Wemix wallet for MIR4. So in order to get this wallet for the game, all you need to do is simply open up your browser and log on to the link in the description. Once there, instead of clicking play now, click on connect wallet, and when you select the connect wallet option at the top of the screen where we have connect play wallet, you're going to have to install a play wallet. So to do this, click on play wallet connection. Once you've clicked on play wallet connection, your Google Play or App Store would open and you'd be prompted to install the play wallet, which is from Wemix. So click on the install option, and once you selected install, all you need to do now is approve of the installation, or it goes automatically. So guys, once you've installed or once you're done with the installation, click on the continue option to proceed to access your wallet and grant all permissions for the play wallet to function. So click on OK. Please take your time to read through all of this. Click on start. And now you can choose to log in via WeChat, Facebook, Apple, or Google. So I'll be selecting the Google option. You could go with any option that favors you. All you need to do is make sure you read through their terms of service, their privacy policy, consent to password loss responsibility. I certify I'm at least 19 years old. I agree to receive advertisements and updates about related services. So once you've taken your time to read through the details, all you need to do is simply check the boxes. So once you've checked the boxes, click on agree, and then create your pass ID. This would be like your ID you can use for the play wallet. So it has to be between 4 to 12 characters, first letter lowercase and a lowercase alphanumeric. So once you've created your pass ID, proceed to click on OK. Proceed then to enter your password. So you're going to be creating a password for this wallet between 8 to 20 characters, must include at least one lowercase and one uppercase letter. So once you've taken this into account, confirm your password creation by simply entering the password. So once it's done, the password has been created, simply click on the OK option and then consent to being responsible for your loss of password. So click on agree. Alright guys, and you've created your play wallet successfully. So simply click on continue. If you're a Californian resident, you can state that. So once you've clicked on OK, boom, welcome to the play wallet for Android. This is how the play wallet looks. So guys, you successfully created the play wallet. Do comment down below if you have a question concerning how you can go about any of this, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.